Hello everyone, it is Donna Davis Bell from Inspired to Create Facebook group and Shiny Treasure Designs Etsy shop. And over in the art bar, Donna Brown hosted a swap where we all swapped hearts. I'm running a little bit behind, but this is the heart. My partner is Brittany. Hi Brittany. So this is for you. I made this beautiful heart. It is layered, several layers, and it's wet, still wet with glue and so forth right now, so I don't want to pick it up too much. But it has several layers of different laces, and I mean you can't even see some of them. I have so much on there, but that's okay. And how did that get on there? Oh, that's lace. Well, that belongs on there. Okay, I thought it was paper. Oh my gosh. I have to tell you what I did earlier. I was doing the bottom of the heart. You know, we make our base and then we glue the bottom on. Let me see if I can lift it up to show you. Well, I had something I had to stop and walk away, and I had laid it down on some paper. So, so that I was trying to keep my mat clean, keep the glue off my mat. So I came back and the paper was glued to it. So now I've got to put a whole new back onto it, which is okay. It's not a problem. But have any of you ever done that? Stopped and walked away and come back and found your project glued to something? Because I hope I'm not the only one that's ever done that. So anyway, we have Forever Yours here, a little button flowers, some rhinestones. We've got a couple of different laces here. We've got some trim. We've got doily. We've got some doily up behind here, some eyelash trim, some handmade rosebuds, and then another doily and another flower, handmade flower. We have, these were in my stash. They were crocheted buttons, so I put 3 of those there. And then this little rhinestone button. Not sure if you can pick that up or not. It glitters really, really good. And then we have the word joy. We have another one of those little crocheted buttons there. We have a little applique here. We have a little button with a rhinestone in it. We have our little dangles coming down, rhinestones and little silver and white with, I don't know, sparkly in it. Eyelash trim. We have rhinestones. We have iridescent beads, and I have even tied some of these little beads on there to add a little extra onto it. So we have all of that. For the hanger, I've used this trim. I just love the way it came out. I had so much fun doing this. So Brittany, this will be on its way to you this week. I promise you, girl. So here it is. And I'm looking forward to getting yours. So happy swapping. And again, this swap was over in the art bar. Donna Brown, I think it's Dickerson. I'm not sure. I just call her Donna or D. So, but she's on my design team for my group Inspired to Create. Donna is an awesome creator. Awesome, has an awesome group. And she's a wonderful artist, creator, crafter, and so go over there and check her out at the art bar and show some love and support over there. She has a very large group, and she does something just about every single day. They have a lot of fun. I'll lift this up so you can see this a little bit better. This is one of the little cutting boards that come from the Dollar Tree, and I think it's like 8 inches across and 6 inches down, so that gives you an idea of how big this is. And then there's all the deliciousness in the trim. So I've tried to make it pretty from every single angle to make this special for Brittany. So Brittany girl, it's on its way to you. Thank you. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye-bye.